Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live.
Today is Saturday. I'm getting ready to go to the gym up early. My son and my husband, they are at Tony's training. Y'all know he trains with his football team during the week, but twice a month he has a personal trainer. So that's where they are. So I'm up, about to go to the gym. This is what I'm wearing to the gym today. This will be my first time wearing a sports bra to the gym. I never ever do that, but there's nobody at our gym. Definitely not on Saturday this early, so I feel okay to do this. But I am gonna wear my weighted vest today. So this is the one that I have. This one is 12 pounds. I'm gonna wear this while I'm on a treadmill, but I am weight training today. Because I told y'all my workout, the last workout that I did just wasn't, I wasn't feeling it, so I kind of need to make up for that. So I'll be walking on the treadmill today with this on incline. I'll probably just do maybe like 10 incline. This is how it looks, 12 pounds. It's heavy, but it's not extremely heavy. So this is how it looks in the back. Like this. I'll link it in the description box if you guys are interested. So yeah, I just wanted to start the weekend vlog, and I hope you guys are having a good morning. Alright y'all, so here is the bagel that I just made. This is how it looks. So it just has avocado, boiled egg, and then I have some sprouts on top, some hot honey. I have some of the chili onion on top. I'm trying to perfect like a sauce with that, so I've been like just playing around with different mixes. I haven't perfected it just yet because it still kind of tastes a little plain as far as the chili onion crunch, the crunchy chili onion. But this is what I have, and I'm going to have 2 of these breakfast sausages on the side. So yeah, that's my breakfast. Oh, and really quick, these are the bagels that I used. So yeah, this is my first time using these.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect.
So today it's much later. My camera's getting ready to die, but I'm getting ready to head out with the girls. We're meeting at a new restaurant. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called, it's spelled D-U-A. Okay, that's all I know. I've never been there before, so we're gonna go there. We might go to multiple spots, we'll see. I'm in the mood for some fried fish. And if you guys don't know, if you're new here, I love fried fish. I don't cook it as much, but I love fried fish. So I washed this hair before I got in the shower, and I'm gonna just let it air dry. I'm gonna put some mousse on it, throw on a dress, and be out the door. We're meeting at 5 o'clock. It is currently 3:31, so I'm on good time. So yeah, I'm gonna vlog. You guys are gonna spend the day with me. This will be the Sunday vlog, so I hope you enjoy. Match me. In the garage, of course, it's getting ready to rain. What they gonna do about Duval Day? It's oh, it's raining right now. I call myself trying to leave a little bit early so I can beat the rain, but it's raining, so let me drive. I gotta set my GPS up. Oh shit, what am I doing? So let me, I don't got no umbrella. Okay, y'all, we made it. It stopped raining. So this is the location. I'm going inside. This is about to rain. Hi. Here, thanks. Oh, it's so cute in here. Hi, Paul.
Because the forecast said it was like it's gonna be a little bit drier today than it is on the other days. So.
Under the lights, you look so amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. Didn't want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. It's in the night when I think I made it. When all day dedicated, 18 hours without breaking, not thinking about us. Then in my mind, you're next to me laying. Those memories keep playing. Am I high or am I crazy? Might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Back. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight. Take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting. Didn't want me back, baby. Then take me back, baby. 2020. Take me back, baby. Back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby.
All right, y'all. So we left the restaurant. We're going to another restaurant down the street to just have a cute little cocktail. Don't hit me, baby. But it was nice. Everybody started coming. Like, it's 7:24, so I guess that's when it started really getting packed. But we're gonna go down to Catalina. I'm trying to wait for them. We're gonna go down to Catalina because they've never been. I only went that one time when they first opened. Oh gosh. So we're gonna just go for the vibe. Just go for the vibe. Have us a cute little cocktail and leave. The rain finally stopped. Where they at? Hello? Ain't nobody behind me. Okay, there go Neri. And where is SHERIKA? Okay, yeah, so I'll pick y'all back up. The girls are here.
Girls are here.
Neri
Duval girls.
Yes.
Duval next.
Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court.
Good morning. Today is Sunday. So good. Today's Sunday, and I am doing a little bit of editing. I just did some editing on last night's footage. We had a good time. We went to the first spot. We went as soon as they opened, so that's why it was a little empty in that section, because they have two different sections. So they have like the reserved section, and then the section in the front, it also has a bar, you know, lounge chairs. I think it had a couple of TVs over there, because it's like an upscale hookah spot or whatever. In the front, it was more people, but they let us sit in the section that they had reserved. So we had I want to say it's called Dua, but I'm not 100% sure if that's how to pronounce it or not, so don't quote me. But they had Dua shrimp. The Dua shrimp was really good. It came with capers, and then it had the artichoke, really good. We had the bruschetta. It had so many tomatoes on it though. You know, usually the bruschetta is just like a slice of tomato with the mozzarella, the balsamic, but this had like a big stack of tomatoes. It was way too many tomatoes, but it was still good. And then we had some Brussels sprouts. Those were really good. And then we was there for a long time. Like we got there at 4:30. We didn't leave till like 7 something. So then later on, we ordered, Erica ordered some truffle fries, and we had like some salmon bites. So those were really good. So we just had a couple drinks there, chill, talk, laugh, plan our next girls' day, because that's just what we do every time we get together. We talk about what we're gonna do on the next girls' night. So that was fun. And then we went to Cataluna. I know in the clip I kept saying Catalina, because I've been going to so many Mexican restaurants. Catalina is just stuck in my mind, okay? But it's Cataluna. And I told y'all I've been there before. Y'all remember when they first opened, me and Tony went. And we haven't been back since. But we decided to go since we were right over there and they've never been. So we went in there. It was nice. They do have DJs and things like that on the weekend, on some Saturday nights, but the DJ doesn't come until like 10. We wasn't out that late. So we just sat at the bar, had a couple of drinks, and then I ended up getting some lamb chops. Those were really good. And yeah, took it on back to the house. So that was nice. I know she cooked some crabs today, so I might stop by. But I have to go to Ryan's house first because I have a collaboration with a furniture company, and instead of me keeping the sofa, I gave it to Ryan because for one, I don't need a new couch. He's been wanting a new couch, so I gave it to him, but I'm doing the content at his house, so we got it delivered there and everything like that, so I have to go there, get the content. I'm not too sure when you guys will see that content. It might be next week or the week after that, maybe. So that's what I have planned for today. Got some more mousse. Yesterday my hair looked so good. This is the mousse that I have, that I had, because there's no more in here, but it's the Got To Be Glue mousse. It's smooth hold mousse, so it's soft, flexible hold, tames flyaways, add shine, and it does everything that it says on this, because my curls looked really nice and shiny, and I didn't have really too much frizz at all. So I really do like this. I'm gonna go get me some more because I'm all out. I want to say I got this from the hair store, either the hair store or Walmart. So I gotta go get some more of this. But yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was short and sweet, but I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow the girls. I'll have their links in the description box below. So y'all know Erica is a lifestyle on all socials, and then Lipstick Diary. She's also on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. So I'll have their links in the description box below so you guys can follow them and tell them I sent you. I'll see you guys next week. Love you. Bye.